A 3 into 3 cube consists of 26 small pieces and one core. 6 center pieces are fixed on the core. 8 corner pieces with 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. And 12 S pieces with 2 colors. 1, 2. First, structure of a 3 into 3 cube. First, second, third, fourth step. Notation used in solving the cube: U up, down, D, down, front A prime, back B prime, L prime, R prime, then X prime, Y prime, Z prime. Step 1. Make a cross on the bottom layer. See, white S pieces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. S center match. Up U, center S. First one. So first one match. Second, red center, red ace. R2, center is match. Third, orange center, orange is match. So bottom. So center and S match. Last one, center edge match and rotate 180. So first cross solve. First corner pieces. Color white, orange, blue. Orange, blue, R right algorithm, R U R prime. Color same, right algorithm, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. Continue. Okay. Third and fourth right algorithm. First layer complete. Step 3. Solve S pieces on the middle layer. So case number 1, green right side. This algorithm, if U prime, F prime, U prime, then F prime. So solve. case 2 left side, this algorithm, rotate y prime. So then r prime u prime, r prime u prime, r prime u, r u, r. Okay, so case number 3, r w, r prime u, r w, r prime u, f prime u prime f. This case is solved. So second layer complete. Step 4, make a cross on the top layer. In this step, you will make a cross on the top using an algorithm. You may have to repeat it a few times, depends on different cases. So this case, hook, repeat it. First dot, this algorithm, if r u, r prime u prime, then f prime, then hook opposite side, then again same algorithm, if r u, r prime u prime, then f prime, line, again if r u, r prime u prime, then f prime, cross. Step 5, solve the top face. Use this algorithm, r prime u prime, r u prime, r prime u2, r. Again r prime u prime, r u prime, r prime u2, r. Again repeat it, r prime u prime, r u prime, r prime u2, r. So solve top face. Step 6, top corners correctly. So 2 corner correct. Use this algorithm, r2, f2, r prime b prime, r f2, r prime b, r prime. All corner correct position. Step 7, position last few edges correctly. Okay, so use this algorithm, l prime u, l prime u prime, l prime u prime, l prime u, l u, l2. That's it. So please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.